Hi, this is your Lakshma Reddy. Assignment 3 of Group 13. Okay, chalo. We'll learn with some fun. Gallium is used as thermometric liquid, right? Right statement. Because the liquid range of gallium is very wide. 30 degrees Celsius to almost 2000 degrees Celsius. So, correct explanation. In the preparation of alum from alum shale, FeSO4 is removed by, this is your memory question, fractional crystallization. Don't worry about this. The nature of Al2O3 is amphoteric. Direct question. The Yes. The correct order of ionization potential among the third A group elements. Okay. Generally, down the group ionization potential need to decrease. Boron, gallium and aluminum you see there is small difference. Thallium and iodine you see small difference. Okay na? But this is not properly given. Boron must be highest because it is non-metal. So in all options boron is there. Good. Then thallium comes next. Gallium, aluminum and indium. Based on the values. Just to check NCRT. The incorrect statement among the following is boron has 2 penultimate electrons whereas aluminum has 18 penultimate electrons. Wrong, na? Aluminum total at electrons are only 13. How can it have 18? So that's a wrong statement. The ionization energies from gallium to thallium do not decrease due to here topic is mentioned, but gallium to thallium, that is all because of not screening properly by d and f orbitals. So which statement will be right? Improper shielding. Question number 7. The atomic size of gallium is less than expected. Of course, right? Because d orbitals are coming unnecessarily. In gallium, the 3d electrons do not shield effectively. Exactly right reason. And this is a wonderful question actually. It gives lot of information. Indium and thallium of third group have nearly similar atomic radii due to screening effect shown by f electrons in the, okay, now this is all statement where the electrons are there. That's always in the anti-penultimate shell. Okay, now anti-penultimate means ultimate means last, penultimate means before that, anti-penultimate means like this. For example, this is 6s, this is 5 and this is 4. Okay, now 4f level. Na2B4O7 10H2O concentrated HCl, then at 160 degrees Celsius, Na2B4O7, it will turn into H2B4O7. Okay, and this sodium's first heating, all this 10H2O will go and this will become H2B4O7, which we call tetraboric acid. This on further heating will give you metaboric acid, which on further heating will give you boric anhydride. The anhydride of boric acid is, okay, now as I was telling you, boron trioxide. Just now we said, no? Boric acid is H3BO3. It will, on losing of water, it will become metaboric acid and finally turns into B2O3. So B2O3 is boron trioxide. Which of the following method does not involve the formation of crystalline boron? We need crystalline boron. It is to be prepared. So reduction of boron trioxide with sodium. These points nowadays they are not there. Okay, nah, don't worry much about this. The formula of binary compounds of boron and silica, sulfur. Boron is with -3 charge, sulfur is with -2 charge. Boron, if you are taking as less electronegative, it will become B plus 3 and it will become S minus 2. In that sense, if you see B2S3. The statements regarding diboron are, so he is asking correct statements. Look at these statements carefully. B2H6 is stable in the absence of grease and moisture. This is a statement. Diboron burns in oxygen to produce a very high temperature, right? I told you in last assignment also 1976 kilojoules of energy will be released. Borazole contains ionic bonds, no? Covalent bonds only. So this is wrong. 1 and 2 correct. Coming to question number 14. The reactants in the industrial method of preparation of diborane are, if you want to prepare diborane, you can go with BF3, LiLH4, BCl3, LiLH4, all these you can use, and industrially this is the best method. Total number of vacant orbitals involved in the bond formation of diborane. Total number of vacant orbitals will be 2. How to? This is boron, 1, 2, 3, 4 with these with electrons. Another boron, 1, 2, 3, 4, these with electrons. And now this is vacant and this is vacant. Assertion B2H6 is an electron rich FUT. Assertion is wrong. Okay, my assertion is wrong. It must contain reason correct, because there is no such option that both are wrong. A is wrong, R is right. In the formation of BHP bridge in diborane, the orbitals involved in overlapping are this boron's sp3 orbital, this boron's sp3 orbital, and this is s orbital. So which option suits most? 1s orbital of hydrogen and vacant orbital of boron and orbital of another boron containing 1 electron. So total 2 electrons will be there. With which of the following reagent diborane does not produce hydrogen? Diborane does not produce hydrogen. Okay, so we need to be very careful about this. It reacts with chlorine at 25 degrees Celsius, where hydrogen is not coming. In the remaining cases, you will be getting their hydrogen. Memory, but this question is not there in NCERT now. Don't check, it is not there. The green colored borax bead obtained from copper salt is, okay now. Copper salt means CuBO2 taken twice. This is your compound. Copper bead. Copper bead is called a cupric metaborate. Borax bead test is not given by, only transition metals will give. So this is option 1. Yeah, this kind of questions will be very interesting, and I'm very happy to see all this. Prismatic borax, octahedral borax, borax glass, colemanite. My dear student, this is not there now in NCERT. Okay, so thoda hatke, just extra beyond we are giving. Okay, just have a look. No need to buttify or something else. Prismatic borax is Na2B4O7, 10H2. Octahedral borax is Na2B4O7, 5H2. Borax glass is Na2B4O7. Colemanite is Ca2B6O11. Which is not correct in case of boric acid? It is a tribasic acid, is not correct because it is having that type of structure acceptable, but all the hydrogens are busy in hydrogen bonding, so it is not a proton donor. So this is not correct. When diborane undergoes complete methylation, the number of hydrogen atoms replaced are BHBH. Only the terminal 4 hydrogens are replaced by these are replaced by methyl groups. So 4. Option 3, 4. Which of the following is formed when a suspension of powdered colemanite is saturated with SO2 gas? Colemanite is Ca2B6O11. So this is not there at present in your syllabus, but you can remember H3BO3. Borazole on strong heating use. Borazole on strong heating use, Bn taken N. Boron nitrate. Okay, very, very interesting compound. The color developed for CO plus 2 basic radical in borax bead test is cobalt. This is there in NCERT. The same example is given for cobalt plus 2 only, that is cobalt plus 2 is blue in color. In concentrated HNO3, aluminum becomes passive due to the formation of oxide layer. So the answer is Al2O3. These questions we are discussing up to 32 we will discuss and close. The percentage of aluminum is least in Now these are not there. These alloys are not mentioned in NCERT, but you can remember aluminum, bronze, because their copper is around 90%, aluminum is 10 to 15%. The percentage of aluminum in duralumin is around 95%. Okay, now 4% will be copper, remaining 1%, 0.5, 0.5 manganese and magnesium. The dissolution of aluminum hydroxide by a solution of sodium hydroxide gives these kind of points you see. Remember, okay, they are asking nowadays regularly. Hydrogen gas is liberated when aluminum is treated with, okay, aluminum is treated with boiling water is fine, dilute HCl H2SO4 fine, NaOH KOH is fine. With concentrated sulfuric acid, it releases SO2. So ABC correct. In the case of small cuts, bleeding is stopped by applying coagulating agent, and that is alum salt. Assignment 3 done. Okay, now we'll go for assignment 4 in very soon time. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for advising others. Thank you for being with me. Signing off, your lucky sir.